Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I am Marcia, your host. Today I am cooking with the national spice of Hungary, paprika. Paprika is a heavily used spice in most of their dishes, like goulash and the dish I am making today, chicken paprikash. That's what's jumping in my pot today. So let's get to it. This is the Dutch oven over here with 1/3 cup of olive oil, and I already turned it on. Now, this is the chicken. I have here boneless chicken thighs, which I cleaned and washed in white vinegar and cold water. Now, I salt and pepper it already. This is the next step we do. We take it and we add it to the pot. Okay, so that's 4 pieces that can fit. It have to brown on each side. We're going to brown them on each side, about 5 minutes to a side. Then we'll do the next batch when that have browned. Now let's turn it over on the other side. It'll sear on this side and brown in the olive oil. This is the chicken that I took out of the Dutch oven that I already seared on each side for 5 minutes. So we're going to put this to the side now. And I'm going to show you the ingredients for the chicken paprikash. 1 onion sliced, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 6 cloves of garlic chopped up, 3 tablespoons of Hungarian sweet paprika, a 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a cup of chopped tomatoes. We also need 2 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour. Now, we're going to add the onions and the peppers to the Dutch oven. We're going to saute the vegetables up together. You're sauteing this up together till it get a little soft. The next thing is to add the garlic. We cook this up together for about 2 minutes. Now the next thing we add is the crushed tomatoes. Now we cover this and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then we move on to the next step. This has been simmering for about 5 minutes. Now let's move on to the next step. We add the 2 cups of chicken broth. The Hungarian paprika. The cayenne pepper. The black pepper. And the salt. Now we're going to add the chicken back to the pot. Now we're going to let this cook for a half an hour, and then we'll be back in a half an hour for the next step. It has been cooking now for a half an hour. It's ready now to move on to the next step. I have sour cream here and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You mix it together. This is the next step, what we do. We take some of the sauce from the pot and add it to the sour cream mixture. This is so that it doesn't break. The sour cream doesn't break. So we mix it up together. Now we add it back. We add it to the pot. We add the sour cream mixture to the pot. And we also add some chopped parsley. We save a little to garnish at the end when we're serving it. We mix it all up together. Now, after it has been mixed all together, we cover it back up and let it cook for 15 more minutes. We turn it on low. This is the finished product, my chicken paprikash. I'm serving it with egg noodles. If you like what you saw today, subscribe, like, and share. and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye.